Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are well and enjoyed your Sunday happily. So, we are again on a new week with something new to learn. So, today we are going to start exercise 5.2. 5.1 we have already done, and also we have seen the rules of divisibility by 2, 5, 10, and then on the second part we have already also seen divisibility by 3, 6 and 9. So I hope you have watched that video and that rules are clear to you all. So based on that rules, today we are going to do this exercise. And let me announce you that I hope you all are will be very happy that we have completed 4 chapters till now, and today is the last chapter of your last video of this 5th chapter also. On means today we will complete 5th chapter also. So we are going forward and we can do it very well, and our syllabus will be completed on time. So let's start exercise 5.2. The first question is, find if the numbers are divisible by 3 or not. Here you have to keep in mind the divisibility rules. If you have not read it yet, go through the video twice or thrice, and then only you will be able to understand these sums. Okay, so it is asking, find if the numbers are divisible by 3 or not. In divisibility by 3 we have seen that on adding the numbers whichever is given, we should get either 3 or multiple of 3, like 3, 3 2s are 6, then 3 3s are 9, 3 6 9, all those number which comes in the table of 3, that is the multiple. So either we should get 3 or multiple of 3, then only the number should be divisible by 3. So let's see the number. First one is 3652. So as you can see, on adding all these numbers, we are getting here 16. As you can see, it is 16, which is not 3, and if we read the table of 3, then also this 16 does not comes under it. So you can see here the sum of digits is not divisible by 3, so this number is not divisible by 3. This statement you have to write. First you have to do the calculation and then you have to write this statement. Like this only you have to write answer of all the questions of this exercise. So we have seen that first one is not divisible by 3. Then next one is 3, 4, 5, 6. The first step we have to do here is write your answer and then add all the numbers, that is 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 equals to 3 plus 4 is 7, 7 plus 5 is 12, plus 6 is 18. Then you will write here the sum of digits, the sum of digits 18 it is, which comes under the table of 3, 3 6 ja 18. So we will write here the sum of digits is divisible by 3. We will write here it is divisible. We will not write this not. Okay. So the sum of digits is divisible by 3. So 3456, whatever the question is given, that number you will write here is divisible by 3. Okay. Now moving on to the next question. 78. Add 7 plus 8. 8 plus 7 or 7 plus 8 is 15, which comes under the table of 3. 3 5s are 15. So you can write here the sum of digits is divisible by 3. So 78 is divisible by 3. So I hope this first question is clear to you all. Moving on to the next question, question number 2. Find if the numbers are divisible by 9. Here also the same rule applies. That means the number whichever is given, you have to add those number. On adding the number, if you get the number as 9 or the multiple of 9, like 9, 9 2s are 18, 9 3s are 27, like that number if you are getting, that means the number is divisible by 9. So the first question is 504. So as you can see, 5 plus 0 plus 4. So 5 plus 0 plus 4 is 9. The sum of digits is divisible by 9. So 504 is also divisible by 9. Next question is 638. So how we will do? First we will add all these numbers. 6 plus 3 plus 8, that is 6 plus 3 is 9, 9 plus 8 is 17. So you will write the statement here as the sum of digits 17. It is it divisible by 9? No, it does not comes under the table of 9. So we'll write here the sum of digits is not divisible by 9. So 638 is also not divisible by 9. Okay. Then next question is find if the numbers are divisible by 6. Divisibility by 6, in that we have learned that the number should be even number. First criteria was the number should be even, and the second criteria was the on adding the numbers we should get either 3 or multiple of 3. So you can see here the number is 3750. So this number is divisible by 2 as the last digit is even. 0 is a even number. So you can say this number is even, so it can be divided by 2. Also this is the first step, means divisibility by 2 we have proved here. Then second step we have to go for the divisibility by 3, and if it is divisible by 2 as well as 3, then only we can say the given number is divisible by 6. So as you can see, divisibility by 2 is proved. Then moving on to the next step, adding all the numbers, that is 3 plus 7 plus 5 plus 0, you will get as 15, and 15 comes under the table of 3 because it is the multiple of 3. So you can write in the statement as the sum of digits is divisible by 3. So 3750 is divisible by both, that is 2 and 3. Thus 3750 is divisible by 6. So what we have learnt here is the number should be divisible by both 2 as well as 3. For divisibility of 2 we have seen it should be having even number at the last digit, and divisibility by 3, the number on adding should give either 3 or multiple of 3. If it is proof, then only we can say it is divisible by 6. So let's do one example more so you will be more clear. That is 9614. First step, you have to see the whether given number is even or not. So you can see here it is even number. So you will write here this number is divisible by 2 as the last digit is even. Then this first step we have done. Now moving on to the next step, we have to add all the numbers. That is 9 plus 6 plus 1 plus 4. So 9 plus 6 is 15 plus 1 16 plus 4. 16 plus 4 is 20. So as you can see here 20. It is the number which does not comes under the table of 3. We get 3 6 are 18 and then 3 7s are 21. So 20 does not comes under the table of 3. So we'll write here the sum of digits is not divisible. You will write here not. It is not divisible by 3. So you will mention here as 9614 is divisible by 2 is divisible by 2 but not by 3. It is not divisible by 3, so you will mention here it is but not by 3. Thus 9614 is not divisible by 6. So I hope you have noticed here that the number should be divisible by 2 as well as 3 together. Then only it will be divisible by 6. If it is divisible by one number and not by the other, we cannot say the number is divisible by 6. Okay. Then question 4 is fill in the blanks. This type of question you have already done in the first exercise. It is just a revision part for you. Let's see. The first one is dash is divisible by 2. You have to see the options, and we know divisibility by 2 is proved by seeing the even number as the last digit. So it is here 5, odd number, 3 which is an odd number, then 4. 4 is a even number. So we can say 8634 is divisible by 2. Then next is dash is not divisible by 3. Divisibility by 3, we have seen in that rule that the number on adding should give 3 or it should be multiple of 3. So for this you have to do the calculation of these, means you have to add all these number. So I am just writing as a rough here. You will not write in your fair book this all these things. It will be 18, then here 7 plus 5 plus 0, this is 12, and here it is 8 3 11 and 6, 17. So 18, 12, 17, which comes under the, which is not divisible by 3. So we can see 18 comes in the table of 3, 12 also comes in the table of 3, 17 is the number which does not comes in the table of 3. So we can say this number is not divisible by 3, that is 368. This is the rough work I have done here. You will add in your rough column, not here. Then next is dash is divisible by 6. This is a longer process. We have to see first whether the number is even, means last digit is even. So we can see only these two numbers, first and last, these two numbers are even numbers. Then we have to add the numbers and see whether the number is divisible by 3 or not. So let's do it. It is 5 plus 2, 8. 5 plus 2 plus 8 is 15. And here 3 plus 6 is 9, plus 5 is 14, plus 2 is 16. So as you can see here, it is 15 and then this is 16. 15 comes under the table of 3. 3 5s are 15, but not 16. And it is even number also. That means this number is divisible by 2 as well as by 3. So we can say this number is divisible by 6. So you will do it here as 5280 is divisible by 6. Then dash is divisible by 10. Very simplest. We know if the number is divisible by 10, it should have 0 as the last digit. So first one is not having, second one also not having, last one. That is 3120 is divisible by 10. Then last question, dash is not divisible by 10. This is also simple one. You can see here this number is not having 0 as the last digit. The rest two numbers are having 0 as the last, means these two are divisible by 10, but this is not divisible by 10. So you can see, say here as 6139 is not divisible by 10. So here we end up with the exercise. I hope the sums are clear to you all. I would request, if you don't understand or if you are not understanding, go through the video twice or thrice, and then also if you are feeling it difficult, you can call me on Saturday within the given time. I will be happy to hear your voice, but don't keep confusion and litter here or there for your answers. You can ask me anytime, but especially on Saturday I would be liking to hear your voice within the given time. So here we end up with the exercise also. I will be giving you few sums for the practice. Do it well and complete your notebook. From next class we'll start with the new chapter, so be ready for that. Okay, enjoy your studies as well as your this corona time vacation. Thank you.